So we're at Toronto Chrysler today. We're going to show you how to take this top up and put the soft top up. Actually, no. Let's take this top off and put the soft top up. The Freedom top off. So the front two panel. And our lovely Capripe is doing the knob already. Want to do the other one too? One about.
Restart it, pretend this never happened.
Yep. And then after he undid all those knobs, we just have to turn all this over. There's one here, and then there's one here, and then oh, isn't that? Okay, all the Jeep come with this Jeep kit ready, so everything you need to take the top off and put it back on is all there. But since we're with dealership, we have power tool. So inside the top, there's 6 bolts that you have to take out. It's really hard to see. One is over there, and then once you take them out, there's 2 more on the roof. So one is over there. One is over there. So we'll take the one on the roof off first. And do the other one. And when you take out the screw, you have to have a room for it. And then now the one inside. It's actually easy to do it inside.
That wasn't me, that was Alex.
What's that first? Okay, there for now. And then just let me take the other 2 out. So that one is a little tight, so the power tool won't get in there. And my hand will get in there. So all the screws out. Now we have to take this out wire and the water line out. The water line for the windshield fluid. So push this over. That's one. And then hey, there we go. So technically your top is up. There we go. Okay, come on an angle.
Slowly, because
Look, just stick over here. Come on an angle.
slowly, because
No, just stick over here. First, we have to unwrap this thing. Take this thing out. Okay, so next you have to put those plastic door frame on. So 2 on each side. This one look like the right side. So basically, there's a pin here and there's a hole here. Okay, so just leave it there. Like what? And then this one.
that's how it works.
So this is to secure those frames. So the small one go in the middle. Okay, one side's done, just need to do the other side. So the soft top is also a freedom top. So when you put the soft top up, make sure this is locked in to this. This lock here. This on both sides. Okay. Okay, so you also have to put this on here.
Yeah.
This is to mount the base of your plastic rear window. Very easy, just slide it. Like that. So now this is the hard part. Because this top is brand new, so it's very, very stiff. So our goal is to take this here, this little plastic thingy here, and mount it underneath right there. As you can see, we are a little short. So basically, it's very easy. Just put some weight on it.
Shaddy's watching.
Into it.
Hi, Shaddy.
Technically, your top is almost done. Now you just have to put the window on. Isn't that easy? There's a couple of straps that come with the package. There's two here with the buttons. All right. There. Okay, give me that. Right. There. Those are to hold the plastic window when you roll it up, when you put the soft top. So you got this track here. You just have to slide it right in there. Okay, now we just have to zip it up. And that's the time most people will burn their fingers. It's right in there. So what you can do is you can take this little part out that's designed for it. That's why there's two pieces. It's very tight, and be careful, you will burn your fingers.
What will burn your fingers?
The zipper.
The zipper, because it's so close to the top, the flap it.
Oh, that's good.
Okay. You zip it up. You unzip it. Zip it all the way around. Slide this back to where it's supposed to be. All the way around. Clip this piece here, in there. Same with this side. Now you can tuck this side back in. Set this side down. Stand a little piece here, you flip it all the way, you pull it all the way down. Slug it in there. Same as this side. Take this little corner out. Zip it all the way. Down. Stuck this piece back in. Pull it all the way down. Stuck it in. Voila, the back is done. The front. So first we close the top. The easiest way, turn this thing all the way open. Push it all the way down. Push it down with both hands. And then just have to rustle it a bit because it's very new. Okay, now this here, Because once you put it on, this is very close to the vinyl. So there's a little trick. Get a key ring. Okay, so to put this on is very tricky. I usually tape the bottom up way high here, like that, so it doesn't fall back on me. This door has to be open, and who locked it? Okay, this piece here has to stuck into here. So you go it in. Can you see? Support. That's why you need a key ring. Okay, put that in. You slide it over a little. Keep this thing up high like this. And then you pull it out. And then you slide this in. Now it's the time to close the door. So keep it in there. And now another reason we need the key ring, if you don't have it, is very hard to grab it and pull it. So you just yank the key ring.
You walk back in the office.
Okay. So now you roll this thing out. And then you do it from the back, slowly to the front.
And shake his hands like this.
He does this little nimble handshake.
And this side is done. You just have to roll that up, take the vinyl in. Now because we put a key ring here, the last thing you want is this keep it into your car, so you roll it up and tape it in there. Done. So now the back is done, everything's done. Now you can lock it. And we're done. Voila! Voila! The best thing to do is soak it with water and leave it in the sun. So the fiber will lose up in a day. And then when you want to open the Freedom top up, it's a lot easier. Right now if you open the Freedom top, you're going to have a hard time to close the top.